Welcome everybody. My name is Aaron Quirk. I'm honored. I'm your president of your owners group here from New England. And I'm honored to present this awesome event here with today's collision and introduce to you Bobby Cobb.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you guys all for coming out, and I appreciate it. For us, my name's Bobby Cobb. Again, I'm owner of today's collision. We have 4 facilities. This is the Malden location. It's kind of like central hub here, corporate. We have one up in Danvers. We have one in Stoneham. We have one in Chelsea. The 2 Tesla stores are this store and Danvers. Danvers does the light to medium repairs. They're down the street from the Peabody Service Center. They do more of that stuff. They have a beautiful place up there. So some of you might already been there, don't know, but that's what they do. This location does all the major structural repairs. So we do all that out of here. So that's kind of what this is all about. And the big thing, we want you to take away 3 things we're hoping you take away from here is understanding. And the biggest thing is understanding the repair process. The repair process is how we get the cars through from A to Z. There's a lot moving. We kind of simplified it the most we can here today, but that's one thing. The other thing is, number one question, why does it take so long to fix my Tesla? So I know that. And some of you there. And some of you have probably already been here. I know there's I see a few faces here. We don't want to mention them because we don't want to have bad vibes. So some of you understand it, but some don't, okay? And then the last thing is, one thing that we take pride in and my staff takes pride in is, are we going to fix this car back to pre-accident condition? Is your Tesla leaving whole? That's the number one thing. We could take a little bit of time, we could have some bumps in the road, but the bottom line is your car going to be fixed properly? And that's the one thing we can promise you. The other stuff we'll do our best, but the one thing we'll promise you, your car will leave here whole. That's the biggest thing. I'm going to go give you an overview of how things are gone. We have 8 stations, repair stations. They're kind of just set up so you can understand the overview. As you visit each bay as we go through it all, there'll be like a sign that shows you the number. We try to be as organized as we can so you understand it. After that, once we do all that, you guys will do that all, take a break. You guys, the food will be ready. There's unbelievable pizza. It's the best. And salad will be out there. There's sodas and waters out there. Will be there. And then you can roam around. You guys can eat, come in. I'll have a bunch of my techs will be at some stations so you guys can ask questions. That's when you can ask a lot. They should be answer most of them. I'll be bouncing around. And then at the end, I think we're going to, about 12:30 or so, yes, we'll do a big Q&A. We know Dave's got some questions for us wherever he is. He's going to kill me on those questions. But I'll answer as much as I can. I might have to pull a couple of my technicians in to know a little bit more, my managers. And then a couple things. We have a piece of art we want to reveal. We had a local artist did a kind of cool thing for this New England thing, so we want to show that to you, reveal it. We just got it. And then we got a little gift for everybody to go. So please, at the end, after Q, if you have to leave early, we understand it. I know parking's a little crazy, but we'll do our best to get you out. But make sure you take a gift on that end of it.
That's perfect.
Okay?
Yeah, that's perfect. So we're very excited. Don't forget, Bobby's gonna lead this off. There'll be opportunities to speak with his techs a little bit later to have more Q&A there. There'll be a big Q&A at the end also to give more opportunities. So you're gonna have a lot of opportunity here to get specific answers to questions you may have. And then thank you again to Today's for hosting us, having us, and opening your doors to us. This is an amazing day.
Thank you guys. It's awesome to see you guys coming out, and I'm glad we could host this event for you guys. It's a great event.
Thank you.
Now I have to go to one of your events, I guess, huh? That's it. Now I'm going to have to show. I can't bring my Ford Expedition. I'm going to have to get a Tesla somewhere along.
We're working on it.
We're working on that. So thanks. So yeah, like I said, we'll just go through station to station. Like again, some of them are intermixed together, so we'll just have to kind of do our best. The big thing is after, you can ask the questions to the guys, and they'll be able to answer a little bit more for you and be more thorough, okay?
Yeah.
So we're ready to go?
Awesome, let's do it.
All right, let's do it.
Thank you, Bobby.
So, thank you.